guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm participating on the Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami from the Latina next door and Kristin K. And they wanted us to make a project that we found on a high-end store, but for a lot less. This is what I came up with. Couple of flower arrangements inspired by Kirkland's, $21.99. Mine costed $8 for 2 floral arrangements. As you just saw, I saved a lot of money by making them. And I got 2. So, what we're gonna need. 2 of these pots, I found them at the dollar store, 2 for 99 cents. 2 bunches of tulips for 97 cents at Walmart. 1 bunch of leaves, 97 cents. 1 of that white berry picks. Another tulip. Some peonies from Walmart, 97 cents. And some daisies from Walmart, also 97 cents. More peonies. And we're gonna need a foam block, 1, and a paint and paintbrush. First, we're gonna give it a coat of primer. For that, I use Rust-Oleum flat black. And then we're gonna start by painting our pots with a good coat of acrylic apple barrel paint. That one is the matte finish paint, and then we're gonna cover it completely. If you want, you can use chalk paint if you prefer, but this one just did the trick without any problems, and it's really thick, so 2 coats were more than enough for our pots. We're gonna paint it completely, and on the top part we're gonna paint the lip of our pot. Just the lip, because we don't want to be seeing the inside of our pot. And like so, you're gonna give it 2 coats, let it dry. First coat, let it dry, then add a second coat, and that will be it. You repeat that on your second pot. Now we're gonna start by cutting our block in half, so you have 2 for your 2 flower arrangements, and cut the edges of the foam. Add some hot glue and glue it to the bottom of your pot. Then we're gonna take our flowers and cut them, all of them, from the bunch or the pick, and take off the tags. Then we add a flower, a peony, on the center of our pot. Then we cut and do the same to our tulips, and we start adding them to the bottom part of our arrangement, like so. And the key here is you're gonna repeat the same thing you did to one side to the other side. Now we take our daisies to the same steps and start adding and repeating. The key here is just to mimic what you do one side and the other side. Then we're cutting all of the flowers. These are the leaves and our berries. We're going to add some of those berries next to our peony, center peony. And now we're going to take the remaining peonies and add them in between our flowers, like so. Now we're gonna take our tulips and start adding them around our central peony, like so. And as you will see, I will remove 2 of those tulips and change them for 2 daisies. Yes, that happens every time you make an arrangement. You're gonna see where you need to change a flower, and you will add the flower that you need, and it will turn out beautiful. Now we add our leaves on the bottom part of our arrangement. I added 3 of those picks, and that's it. We're gonna arrange the flowers so they face you and they give it that dome shape that we need. And that will be it. You have your floral arrangement, and you will have to repeat the same steps to the other one. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we got 2 for just $8. Kirkland's can't beat that. I just love how they turned out. They're just beautiful. Those flowers make it look perfect. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank both of them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just had so much fun. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.